It has been brought to my notice, honourable members, it has been brought to my notice that one honourable member had taken a selfie video of himself while participating in the proceedings inside the House yesterday and circulated in the social media. This is a breach of parliamentary practice and decorum, and also not in keeping with the spirit of the rules to be observed by the members as provided under Rule 275 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business. Therefore, in exercise of the Rule 315 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business, I hereby would like to inform the House that such activity of a member taking video of himself while speaking inside the House and circulating in social media is prohibited. This is my ruling.
It was something that we still can't accept in one way, though we are not in the same party now. But I have great respect. I have a great respect for him. I still have a great respect for him. And as I said, I've learned a lot from his style of politics, of being grounded